Okay, I will be doing activity 2 from the periodicity and periodic table experiment. So this one just says organizing the elements. Step 1 is examine all the cards in deck 2 and become familiar with their similarities and differences. I've already placed them in the order I want them to before I turn on the camera. It says remove the cards with atomic mass 1 and atomic mass 4. Set them aside till step 8. For instance, choose one property on the cards that will allow cards to be placed into groups. Record this property in the observation section. The property I chose was the amount of valence electrons each card had. I put them into groups. It says choose another property that will allow the cards to be ordered within each stack. Record this property in the observation section. I had put them by not only the valence electrons, so I put all the cards that had one valence electron together. In the stack, the atomic masses are different. They vary. So I put them from lowest atomic mass to greatest atomic mass within the category of the same valence electrons. It says spread each stack of elements into an order columnly using the property recorded in the previous step. Step 7 says observe any trends or patterns associated with the way the cards are organized. Record the trends or patterns in the observation section. One thing I can trend as I move closer to the right based off how I arrange the cards. The atomic radius increases. Because in my first row, the first atomic mass is 6.9, the atomic radius is 167, and the valence electron is 1. And on the last card of that same row, the atomic mass is 85.5, the atomic radius is 265, and the valence electron is 1. Pick up the 2 cards set aside earlier, which is the 1 and 4. Incorporate these 2 cards into the arrangement using the patterns of trends observed in the previous step. So this one is valence electron 2, the one with atomic mass 4. So I'm going to put it in the second row. And atomic mass 1 has 1 valence electron, so I'm going to put on the first row. Okay. It says these 2 cards may not fit neatly into the existing arrangement. Use your best judgment to determine their placement. And like I said, I'm doing it by the valence electrons. It says photograph the arrangement of card set 2 as you record your work. Without disturbing the arrangement, remove 2 cards at random. So I'm just going to close my eyes and pick 2 cards. That's the okay. Pick 2 cards. Photograph the arrangement of card set showing the 2 blanks. So share the photograph of the classmate. It's an online assignment, so I'm not going to share with anybody. It says photograph the 2 cards set aside. In step 10, and share the photograph of the classmate according to the instructor's directions. Gather the cards for deck 2 and put them away. Obtain and open the photograph showing the classmate's arrangement of card deck number 2 and try to determine which cards are missing from the arrangement. Record its prediction in the observation section, and finally obtain and open photographs showing the classmates' missing cards and record the features of their missing cards. The 2 cards I took away were from the 4th row. I can tell because this one has 4 valence electrons, and I took away the second one because it's the second lowest. The second card I took away was from the 6th row, and it was the 3rd one. And I know that because it's 79.0. So that is all for activity 2.